Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put negative 3x to the power of 3 go to the left. Number 1 will go to the right. Next, we can do about factorization by negative number 3x. So we can see that this one divide by this one, so we just have only negative number 3 over x squared plus 1, because this is about power number 2, this is about power number 1. That's why we have negative number 3 over x squared plus 1. Now let's go to the second one. So we have 2x squared, so we can put s squared and s squared. Now this one divide by this one, so we have number 1 over s with s squared plus 1. This one divide by s, so you got about s in here. Now we have like this. Now the first one, the integration of negative number 3 over s squared plus 1, we have negative number 3 octane of s. Now we need to focus about this one. So we need to focus this one. Now we multiply s on numerator and the denominator. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one will change for u. This one will change for u. S ds will change for the u over number 2. So we need to add u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. So u plus 1 divided by u plus 1, we have number 1. U divided by u, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. So about u, that is about s squared in here. Now we need to go back in here. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 1. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. The s we change for the u over number 2. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared plus 1. Now, we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.